Hello and welcome back. So far we have covered a lot, okay? Two very basic tutorials, cylinder case, airfoil case, but in those two cases I show you many methods, different techniques, know how to mesh, how to avoid problems. Now let's move to a little bit more complicated geometry. We're going to use the same methods. I'm not going to introduce anything new. If I introduce something new, I will let you know. But based knowing what we have learned so far, let's mesh now the Wolf Dynamics logo. So we're going to just revisit the techniques. I'm not going into details. We're also going to show you how to do this plot for those interested now. It's just debugging, and well, I have talked a little bit when addressing meshing that I was doing some debugging and so on. So I also rely a lot in this debugging to just look what was happening. So so in this video, so what we're going to do first, I'm going to show you the geometry, how I did geometry in Onshape, and then we're going to do the meshing, address a few things, probably the only new things that we're going to introduce. You see this body here, I'm going to show you how to do it, but this is an extra feature, and that's all. So hopefully, I will add just this new feature and revisit now the workflow and work with a little bit more difficult geometry. So see you in the next video.